We all want to do the right thing, but busy schedules and not knowing where to begin often prevents us from making the needed changes to our gardening practices. One of the easiest ways to reduce maintenance and grow healthy plants sustainably is by selecting the right plant for the growing conditions and available space. Much easier said than done when making that first trip to the garden center in spring. Check the plant tags and garden center signs for information on the sunlight, moisture, and type of soil the plant needs to thrive. Check the size to make sure the mature plant will fit in the available space. Matching the plant to the growing conditions and space means less ongoing care for you and healthier plants for the garden. Consider implementing just 3 strategies this season to help reduce maintenance and garden more sustainably. Once you master these, look for more ways to make a difference. And before you know it, you'll have conserved resources, reduced ongoing maintenance, and boosted your enjoyment. Too much or not enough water seems to be a yearly challenge. Here are a few ways you can conserve water to grow healthy gardens and manage rainfall to reduce stormwater runoff, basement flooding, and water pollution. Select plants that will thrive in the average amount of rainfall your area receives. That means you'll need to water less often once the plants are established. Mulch the soil to conserve moisture during hot, dry periods. Spread a 1 to 3 inch layer of leaves, evergreen needles, wood chips, or other organic matter over the soil surface. The finer the mulch material, the thinner the layer you need. Capture rainfall in rain barrels for use on ornamental plantings and container gardens. Skip using it on edible plants unless you have the water tested first. Check with your local municipality for any regulations or rebates. Collect shower warm-up water for use on houseplants, outdoor gardens, and container plantings. Just keep a 5-gallon bucket in the bathtub to make it convenient for everyone to collect and put the water to use. Leave grass clippings on the lawn when mowing. A season's worth of clippings is equal to 1 fertilization. The short clippings break down quickly, adding organic matter, nutrients, and moisture to the soil. Convert garden trimmings and plant-based kitchen scraps into compost. It's easier than you think. Check with your municipality first for any regulations or rebates. Watch our video for tips on creating and managing a compost pile. Use twigs and branches to support plants and create wattle fences, trellises, and garden art, or place them at the bottom of your compost pile for added drainage. Grow a variety of plants to create beautiful gardens filled with flowers all season long for you to enjoy and to support a wide range of pollinators. Various plants add different chemicals to the soil, helping create a healthy foundation for growing a garden. Leave healthy perennials standing for winter to provide homes for beneficial insects and food for songbirds. Wait to cut them back after temperatures consistently hover at 50 degrees. Leave some stems 18 to 24 inches tall for native bees to use as summer homes. The new growth will mask the dead stems that will eventually decompose, adding organic matter to the soil. If you can't wait, cut back and stack the trimmings out of sight to allow any hibernating insects a chance to exit their winter homes. Put away the rake and leave the leaves in garden beds. They make a great mulch and they're free. Plus, they provide homes for some beneficial insects and insulate the soil for queen bumblebees, toads, and other overwintering underground. As you master these new habits, look for more ways to reduce ongoing maintenance and garden sustainably. And share your sustainable strategies with others on social media using #APSustainableGardening.